Nothing has released the successor to the popular Nothing Phone 2A, and I've finally managed to get my hands on it. In this video, I'll unbox the new Nothing Phone 3A, tell you about its new features and compare it with its predecessor, the Nothing Phone 2A. The Nothing Phone 3A comes in a very simple package, featuring the Nothing logo on the front and a close-up of the new camera layout, which now includes a telephoto lens. At the back of the box, you'll find all the essential product information about the 3A, including the model number, color, and even the date of manufacture. To open the box, you'll need to peel the sticker at the back. Once peeled, you'll discover another box with a book-style flap that feels like opening a hardcover book. On top of the box is a lovely engraving of the camera system, which you can even feel with your fingers. I really appreciate Nothing's attention to detail. Opening the flap reveals a welcoming message that reads, "Welcome to Nothing." Well, isn't this exciting? Moments like this are why we're here. The anticipation to get started, to unlock something new. And that something new, of course, is the Nothing Phone 3A itself. The phone follows the same Nothing design philosophy with a transparent back. At the front of the device, you'll notice a screen protector pre-applied to the phone's display. Shout out to Nothing for being one of the few phone brands that still offers this. Included with the phone is a Nothing branded USB Type-C to Type-C cable that is 100 cm in length, though sadly not the transparent cable found with the Nothing Phone 2A. Then there's the documentation, which includes a quick start guide doubling as safety and warranty information. Finally, you'll find the usual transparent SIM ejector pin that comes with all Nothing phones. As usual, there's no charging adapter in the box. Something that we'll have to get used to as manufacturers aim to reduce e-waste while at the same time trying to cut costs. So let's start off with the design. The first thing you'll notice is that the Nothing Phone 3A has a triple camera design while the 2A has a dual camera layout. Both phones share the same transparent Nothing design philosophy, but this year, the plastic transparent back of the 2A has been replaced by transparent glass on the 3A. The glass back has boosted the Phone 3A's water and dust resistance to an IP64 rating compared to the IP54 rating on the 2A. This means the 3A offers better dust protection and splash resistance than its predecessor. However, the glass back also makes the Nothing Phone 3A heavier than the Nothing Phone 2A. Another noticeable difference is the glyph lights. The single straight strip on the 2A has been replaced with a curved design on the 3A. The geometric pattern at the bottom of the Nothing Phone 3A has also been slightly modified. Examining the size of the two phones reveals a new button on the Nothing Phone 3A, the essential key, located below the power button on the right side. This button is designed for quick interactions with the new essential space, Nothing's AI-powered hub. A single press of the button captures a screenshot with options to add a voice note. Pressing and holding initiates a voice note, and double tapping opens essential space where all your captures will be organized, summarized, and enhanced with reminders courtesy of AI. Looking at the front of the Nothing Phone 3A, you'll notice it is slightly larger than the 2A, as it boasts a 6.77-inch AMOLED display, while the 2A has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. In terms of screen protection, the Nothing Phone 2A uses Corning Gorilla Glass 5, while the Nothing Phone 3A opts for Panda Glass. I'm not sure if this is an upgrade or a downgrade. When it comes to brightness, the 3A makes a huge improvement, offering an impressive 3000 nits peak brightness compared to the respectable 1300 nits peak brightness of the Nothing Phone 2A. This translates to much better outdoor visibility and a more impactful viewing experience. Under the hood, there are notable improvements as well. Whereas the Nothing Phone 2A is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro, the Phone 3A marks a return to Qualcomm for the A series, utilizing the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, which is also built on a 4nm process like the Dimensity 7200 Pro. Nothing claims this switch delivers significant improvements in AI processing and a moderate CPU boost compared to the Phone 2a Plus. The Qualcomm chip also enables specific on-device generative AI capabilities, possibly powering features like the Essential Space. I haven't run benchmarks comparing the two phones yet, but from my real-world usage, both handle daily tasks smoothly. When it comes to charging, the 3A supports 50-watt wired charging compared to the 2A's 45-watt wired charging. The Nothing Phone 3A claims 50% charge in 19 minutes and 100% charge in 56 minutes, while the 2A was rated for 50% in 23 minutes and 100% in approximately 59 to 60 minutes. It's a small improvement, but welcome nonetheless. Finally, let's talk about the cameras, as they represent the most significant change between the Nothing Phone 2A and the 3A. Many users had complained that the 2A's camera had lacked versatility due to the absence of a telephoto lens and inconsistent processing. Nothing has now added a third rear lens to the 3A for telephoto capabilities and also introduced a new processing engine called TrueLens Engine 3.0. According to Nothing, this new engine improves tone mapping, scene recognition, and delivers more natural-looking photos with balanced highlights and shadows. Here are a few photos that I took side by side with the two phones. Let me know if you notice any improvements. To wrap up, the Nothing Phone 3A represents a thoughtful evolution of the Phone 2A, refining the formula with targeted upgrades rather than a complete overhaul. It successfully integrates a versatile 2x optical zoom telephoto camera, dramatically boosts display brightness, adopts a more premium feeling glass back construction, slightly improves dust and water resistance, offers marginally faster charging, and introduces the novel Essential Key and Essential Space AI features. In my next video, I'll put the 3A and the 2A through a full camera test comparing photos, videos, zoom, and more. So hit that subscribe button, you won't want to miss it. See you then.